Looking for a powerful OBD2 scanner that doesn't break the bank? The LAUNCH CRP129i V2.0 might just be the perfect tool for both DIYers and pros alike. Let's check out what makes it stand out. What is the CRP129i? This is the LAUNCH CRP129i V2.0, the updated version of the popular CRP129i. It's a professional-grade diagnostic tool packed into a handheld device that's fast, reliable, and super easy to use. LAUNCH Scanner CRP129i V2.0 with 4 systems diagnostic, 12+ reset service, features a larger 5-inch touch table HD screen and keypad design for better operation, Android 8.1 OS, 6100 mAh rechargeable battery, voltage test, auto VIN, full OBD2 functions, DTC library, live data graphing, and automatic generate diagnostic health report. LAUNCH CRP129i V2.0 code readers for vehicles support engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS diagnosis. Read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, turning off the warning light related. This saves time to go to the mechanic and say goodbye to long bills from repair shops. Graphing the battery voltage to real-time monitoring, determine battery's health status, help you check the battery and the charging system problems in advance. LAUNCH CRP129i V2.0 Scanner Automobile now support 12 hot service functions, including oil reset, steering angle calibration, electronic parking brake, TPMS reset, throttle adaptation, injector coating, BMS reset, ABS bleeding, AdBlue reset, AFS headlamp reset, air-fuel ratio reset to maintain your vehicle system safely and efficiently. With the automatic AutoVIN scan, you may easily get the VIN. CRP129i OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool supports all 10 modes of OBD2 functions, such as IM readiness status, live data graphing, MIL turnoff, etc., and works on most vehicles after 1996, compliant with OBD2 protocols, more than 85+ brands. 4-in-1 merged graphs, data record, playback, and printable diagnostic report shared via email make diagnostic information easily at your hands. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: fast performance and Android interface, covers key systems, free lifetime updates, works on 85+ car brands, great build quality for the price. And cons: no bidirectional, active test support, doesn't support advanced coding, programming, touchscreen is good, but not top-tier high resolution. The CRP129i V2.0 is ideal for DIYers, advanced enthusiasts, and even shop owners who want an affordable yet powerful tool. It gives you the key diagnostic capabilities without needing a tablet scanner. If you're looking to upgrade your scanner without blowing your budget, the LAUNCH CRP129i V2.0 is absolutely worth checking out. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto tech reviews and how-tos.